Good afternoon, students. I hope everyone was fine. Today we are looking at the class 6 and the subject is social science and the topic is the earth in the solar system. The topic is the earth in the solar system. Everyone aware about the solar system. In class 5 we studied about the solar system and what are the planets name. In this lesson we are looking about what are the satellites and some other things. Okay, deeply first I will introduce what are the contents to be studied. First one is heavenly bodies. In this, the topic name is the earth in the solar system. In this topic, we are looking this type of contents. First content name is heavenly bodies. What is meant by heavenly bodies and what are its functions? Okay. Second one is celestial bodies. Second one is celestial bodies. Third one is galaxy. Galaxy means nothing but in Tamil we will tell as Vinmingal. Okay. Fourth one, universe. Universe is nothing but whatever the thing we are living, that is world. Universe in Tamil we call it as Ulagam. Okay. Next one, fifth, stars. Everybody knows about the stars. In the previous lesson itself, we will discuss about the stars. What is meant by star, what is meant by pole star, and then next, everyone aware about the planets. How many planets are there? What are the planets' name? You are aware about that in 5th standard itself. Again, I am telling that you are deeply studied about the what is meant by solar system. What are the planets' name? Okay. Next one, satellites. Satellites is nothing but in Tamil we call it Serkai Kolgal. Okay. Next one is constellations. 5th itself we studied about the constellations, but it will little bit different. What are the things that functioning in the satellites and constellations? Next one is orbit. Next one is orbit, and we will study about the what is meant by rotation. What is meant by rotation and what is meant by revolution, and what are the major difference between the rotation and the revolution. Okay. Next thing is man-made satellites. Okay. Next one is asteroids. What is meant by asteroids? Next one, what is meant by meteoroids? Next one, what is meant by meteorites? We will read about what is meant by asteroids, what is meant by meteorites, and what is meant by meteorites. Next one, full moon. Next one is new moon. Okay. Next thing we will discuss about the pole star. Again I am telling that in 5th standard itself in solar system we particularly read about the pole star and what is meant by pole star, what are its functions, what are the types of pole star. We look upon that. Again we are looking the same thing, but the topic was little bit different. Okay. Next one, geoid. Everyone know about that shape is earth. The shape is an oblate spheroid. Okay. Earth, all the scientists has cleared that the earth is in oblate spheroid, not in orange. In previous days they called it an orange shape. The earth is an orange shape, but the scientist has confirmed that the earth is the shape of oblate spheroid. Okay. From that we will read about what is meant by geoid. What is meant by geoid? So students, again I am telling that the topic is name is the earth in the solar system. Okay. Next, in the earth in the solar system, we will read regarding these contents. What are the and what are the major differences between the rotation and the revolution? Main thing. And next one is full moon, new moon. What is meant by? These are all the new words. These are all the new topics that you have to learn in this lesson. So please concentrate. First, we will look upon these 5 topics one by one. We will look all the topics. Okay. Okay, students. Now, first content is the heavenly bodies. We will know about what is meant by heavenly bodies. The heavenly bodies definition is nothing but the sun and all the twinkling objects in the sky is known as heavenly bodies. Okay. In this topic, first we know about that what is meant by heavenly bodies. Heavenly bodies is nothing but in Tamil we call as Paraloga Udalgal or a planet or a star. It's called as heavenly bodies. In heavenly bodies, in Tamil we will call as. That means heavenly bodies is nothing but a planet or a sun. Okay, don't be confused. Heavenly bodies which consists of a planet or a sun. In that, the sun and all twinkling objects in the sky is known as heavenly bodies. Okay. Next one, celestial bodies. There is a difference between the heavenly bodies and the celestial bodies. Okay, celestial bodies is nothing but all the heavenly bodies like the sky and all twinkling objects in the sky. Okay, in the heavenly bodies only sun and all the twinkling objects. In the celestial bodies, heavenly bodies also considered, and all the heavenly bodies like the sun and also the twinkling objects in the sky is known as celestial bodies. Okay. Next one is galaxy. Okay. Next one is galaxy. In Tamil already I told that in Tamil galaxy is known as Vinmin. Okay. What's meant by galaxy means a definition of galaxy is a huge system of millions of heavenly bodies and stars like the Milky Way. Okay, as previously I told that heavenly bodies is nothing but a planet and a sun, or in Tamil we will call as Paraloka Udalgal. In galaxy, we will call in Tamil as Vinmingal. In that galaxy, a huge system of millions of heavenly bodies, consisting of sun and twinkling objects in the sky. Okay, everybody sees in the stars in the sky. Okay, next, and stars like the Milky Way. Okay, that is called as galaxy. Okay. In the topic, we will first say about what is meant by heavenly bodies and what is meant by celestial bodies, and we will mention that what are the difference between the heavenly bodies and the celestial bodies, and particularly we know about what is meant by galaxy. This a huge system of millions of heavenly bodies and stars like the Milky Way is known as galaxy. In next one, we will look upon the other contents also. Okay. Okay students, previous content we look upon what is meant by heavenly bodies and what is celestial bodies and what is galaxy. Next we will look upon what is meant by universe, what are called as stars and what is the planets. Okay, universe is nothing but, already I informed that universe is in Tamil we will call as Ulagam. Whatever the human beings and non-living things are living here, that is called as universe. Okay, thousands of galaxies together is called as universe. Already I told that galaxy is nothing but in Tamil we call as Vinmin. Thousands of galaxies together is known as universe. Okay, thousands of, again I am telling the definition, thousands of galaxies together is known as universe. Next thing, stars. Everybody knows about the stars. Okay, the celestial bodies which have their own heat and light is known as stars. The celestial bodies, we will call in Tamil as Vana Udalgal. What is that? Vana Udalgal. Heavenly bodies means Paraloka Udalgal. Celestial bodies means Vana Udalgal. Okay? Which the celestial bodies which have their own heat and light. Okay? That is called as stars. Okay? Again I am telling that universe and stars. Next one is planets. Everybody knows about the planets. Again I am telling that what are the planets name: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Pluto is not a planet. Okay, according to the 2003 the scientists told that the Pluto is not a planet. It will be called as a dwarf planet. Okay, Pluto is not a planet. Okay, in that fifth grade we will study about the what are the solar system, what are the planets. Okay, in this lesson again I am telling that the Earth in the solar system we will read just deeply about what are the contents, what is meant by satellites and all. Now we look upon the universe and the stars, and now finally we look at planets. Planets is nothing but heavenly bodies which revolve around the sun, and do not have own heat and light. See, before I explain about what is meant by stars, stars have their own heat and light, but the planets do not have their own heat and light. The heavenly bodies revolve around the sun, okay, and do not have their own heat and light. Okay, universe is nothing but what are the things that living and non-living is present here, nothing but its world. We will call as universe. Thousands of galaxies together is known as universe. Next one is stars, the celestial bodies which have their own heat and light. Okay, stars having their own heat and light, but planets not having their own heat and light, but it's revolve around the sun. Okay. Okay, students. Now we will look upon what is meant by satellites and what is meant by constellation. Satellites, and already I mentioned that in Tamil it's called as செயற்கைக்கோள்கள். Okay, satellites. What are the definition of satellites? Means heavenly bodies revolve around the planets. Heavenly bodies revolve around the planets and do not have their own heat and light. Do not have their own heat and light like planets. Planets is not having their own heat and light. Only stars having their own heat and light. Okay, the heavenly bodies revolve around the planets and do not have their own heat and light. But the satellites reflect the light of the sun to their planet. Okay, nowadays we have all mentioned that everybody has known about the satellite and the technology, what are the things happening in the world. Okay, we are sending the satellites to the moon. Recently all over the world they are following the satellites, and researchers according to that information technologies have been developing. Okay, satellite is very, very important. Next one, constellation. What is meant by constellation? The definition of a constellation is a pattern or design of stars a pattern or a design of stars is known as constellations. The examples of the constellation is Saptarishi. Okay, in Sanskrit we call it Saptarishi, and this is the example of constellations. Okay, satellites, heavenly bodies revolve around planets and do not have their own eternal light like planets. Okay, but it reflects the light of the sun to that planet. It's known as satellites. Okay. Next one is constellation. A pattern or design of stars is known as constellations. Example is Saptarishi. Okay. Next thing, we will look upon what is meant by rotation and revolution. Okay. Next, the topic name is, we will look upon what is meant by orbit and what are its functions, and what is meant by the rotation and what is with the revolution. We are looking now orbit, rotation and revolution. Orbit is nothing but, the orbit definition is elliptical paths on which the planets and satellite revolve around the sun. Okay, I am telling that elliptical paths on which the planets and satellite revolve around the sun is known as orbit. Orbit in Tamil we call it as Vattapadai. Okay, it's known as circle. Orbit in Tamil we call it as Vattapadai. Okay. Nothing but elliptical paths on which the planets and satellites revolve around the sun in a orbit direction. Okay. Next one is, what is meant by rotation? What is meant by rotation? Taking rounds by the heavenly bodies on their axis is known as rotation. Taking rounds by the heavenly bodies on their axis is called as rotation. Next thing, we will look about what is meant by revolution. Revolving of heavenly bodies round their sun or planets on elliptical path like orbit. Okay, like orbit, it travels around only in elliptical paths around the sun and also the planets. Okay, revolving of heavenly bodies round their sun or planets on elliptical path. Orbit is nothing but, in Tamil we call as Vattapadai, rotation and revolution. Orbit definition is elliptical paths in a circle direction only on which the planets and satellites revolve around the sun. Rotation is taking rounds by the heavenly bodies on their axis. Already we seen about what is meant by heavenly bodies, what are the functions of heavenly bodies. Okay. Next one, revolution. Revolution means revolving of heavenly bodies. Revolving of heavenly bodies round their sun or planets in elliptical path only. That is called as revolution. Okay. Next thing, we will look about what is meant by man-made satellites. Okay, students. Now we will look upon what is man-made satellites, which are carried by the rockets placed in the orbit of the Earth. Yeah, already I informed that satellite in Tamil is nothing but செயற்கை கோள்கள். Whatever the technologies we are benefiting now, that comes under satellite use only. It's a very important role in the development of science and also in the advanced technologies. Okay, everybody remember who is Mr. Abdul Kalam. He's a great scientist. He carries, he achieves more for India, like INSAT, IRS. These are all the types of satellites, examples of satellites, INSAT, IRS and INSAT. Now the ISRO is launching a new satellites. From that launching of satellites, we are getting the scientific advancements and the technologies, and each and every world has astonished regarding our satellite experiments. And Mr. Abdul Kalam is a great scientist for the satellites, and behind this success, he is the first pillar. Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and the India, not only the India, the world has astonished. Whatever the experiments done by us in the previous days and also in the upcoming days, the world has recognized that India is a scientific advisor to the advanced technologies. What are the things carried out by the world? We are also capable for the technologies because of the satellites, and the resource persons and the satellite engineers and programs are very hard working to get the name for India, and also the recent development of next 20 years, the generations and all the advanced technologies, advanced scientific experiments, advanced scientific researches. That is a stepstone. That is a stepstone for these upcoming years. So the satellites are very much essential role in the, not only in the technology period and also in the medical period, the satellites carrying an essential role. Okay, the previous upcoming years also we have the stepstones for creating the new satellites and some researches, and keep on we are searching the researches. Okay, next one, what is meant by asteroids? Asteroid is nothing but in Tamil we call as Siru Kolgal. Nothing but in Tamil we call as Siru Kolgal. The definition of asteroids is found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Mars and Jupiter, it is a planet name. Already I mentioned that what are the planets name. Okay, asteroids is nothing but in Tamil we call as definition Siru Kolgal. Siru Kolgal. Asteroids definition is found between the orbits. Orbits means Vattappari. Already informed that we look upon the definition of what is meant by orbit. Found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Mars is a planet name and Jupiter is also a planet name. The Sun is the center of the solar system. The Mars and Jupiter is the planets. So the asteroids Siru Kolgal is nothing but the found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Okay students, now we look upon what is meant by man-made satellites and what are the examples. INSAT, IRS and EDU-SAT. These are the examples of the satellites which are carried by the rocket and placed in the orbit of the Earth. Again I am telling the definition, which means satellites which are carried by the rocket and placed in the orbit. Orbit means Vattappari, orbit of the Earth. Okay. Next, we will look upon what is meant by meteorites and what is meant by meteorites. So, difference between the meteorites and asteroids. We will look upon the next contents. Okay, students. Now we will look upon what is meant by meteorites and meteorite. Meteorites, I read the spelling METEOROIDS. Okay, it's nothing but in Tamil we will call as Vinkarkal. In Tamil we will call as Vinkarkal. A meteorite's definition is a small pieces of rock. A small pieces of rock which revolve round the sun. It's known as meteorites. Vinkarkal in Tamil. The definition is a small pieces of rock which revolve round the sun is known as meteorites. Meteorites and meteorite. Meteorite spelling is METEORITE. This is meteorite. Meteorite METEOROID. The meaning is same but the function is different. A huge burning rock destroyed not fully and falling on the earth. In recent days also, we will look upon the news and paper also, some Vinkarkal has been placed on the earth, fall on the earth. That is meteorites or meteorites. Okay, there is no big difference between the meteorites and meteorites, but yes, the meteorites definition is a small pieces of rock. Small pieces of rock which revolve around the sun is known as meteorites. Meteorites, a huge burning rock. A huge burning rock destroyed not fully and it's fall on the earth. Meteorites fall on the earth. It's nothing but in Tamil we will call it as Vinkarkal. It will fall on the earth sometimes. Sometimes it will fall on the earth. Next we will look upon what is meant by full moon and what is meant by new moon. Okay. We look upon what is meant by full moon and what is meant by new moon. Full moon and new moon. The full moon definition is nothing but night of Purnima when the moon shines in the form of a ball. Full moon in Tamil we call as Mulu Nilavu. New moon we call as Amavasya. Okay, everybody heard this word. Okay, the full moon is nothing but the definition is the night of Purnima when the moon shines in the form of a ball. Okay. Next one, the new moon, night of Amavasya, when the moon is not seen from the earth. When the moon is not seen from the earth is the new moon. So you can know the difference about what is meant by the full moon and what is meant by the new moon. Next we will look upon geoids. Okay students, next we will look upon what is meant by pole star and what is called as geoid. Pole star and geoid. Pole star in Tamil we will call as Dhruva Natchathiram. In Tamil we will call as Dhruva Natchathiram. Pole star definition is always shine over the north pole and does not change its position. It's a pole star. In grade 5 also we will read about the pole star. Only at the time of reading the planets and that words there we will read about the pole star, but in the pole star we will not look deeply. But in this lesson we will look upon what is meant by pole star. Again I am telling that pole star in Tamil we will call as Dhruva Natchathiram. Dhruva Natchathiram. Its definition is always shine over the north pole. We will know about the pole, north pole and south pole and equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degree north, 23.5 degree south. That and all we will read in grade 5. Okay. North pole and does not change its position. Does not change its position is called as pole star. Next, we will look upon what is geoid. Geoid in Tamil we will call as Puvi. In Tamil we will call as Puvi. Geoid means earth-like shape. Already in first introduction itself in content we will read about what is the shape of the earth. According to the scientist, the earth shape is concerned that the earth is the shape is an oblate spheroid. But in recent days the scientist has said that earth is like an orange. But scientist has recommended that the earth, the shape, original shape is an oblate spheroid. Like the geoid is also, geoid means earth-like shape. Geoid we will call in Tamil as Puvi. In pole star we will call as Dhruva Natchathiram. And next thing we will recall the topics what are we learned in this lesson. Okay. Okay students, now we will recall what are the contents we learned up to till now. Again I mentioned the topic name, the earth in the solar system. First we will look upon what is meant by heavenly bodies. Heavenly bodies is nothing but the sun and all twinkling objects in the sky is known as heavenly bodies. Heavenly bodies in Tamil we call as Paraloka Udalgal. Okay. Next one, celestial bodies. What's meant by celestial body means all the heavenly bodies like the sun. All the heavenly bodies like the sun and all twinkling bodies in the sky is known as celestial bodies. Next one, galaxy. Galaxy is nothing but in Tamil we will call, again I am telling that, Vinmin galaxy. A huge system of millions of heavenly bodies is known as galaxy. A huge system of heavenly bodies and millions like is known as galaxy. Universe is nothing but what are the things that humans, living things and animals, what are the things living in the planet is known as universe. Universe is nothing but in Tamil we will call as Ulagam. Thousands of galaxies together is known as universe. Thousands of galaxies together is known as universe. Universe is nothing but Ulagam. Next one is planets. Everybody knows about the planets name. Again I am telling what are the planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay. Pluto is not a planet. These heavenly bodies which revolve around the sun and do not have their own heat and light. Okay. Do not have planets, do not have their own heat and light. Okay. Next one is stars. Everybody knows some stars. In Tamil we will call this Natchathiram. The celestial bodies. Celestial bodies is nothing but Vana Udalgal. In Tamil we call as Vana Udalgal. The celestial bodies which have their own heat and light. Please note on the students, there is a difference between the planets and stars. Planets do not have their own heat and light, but stars have their own heat and light. And next thing, we will look upon what is meant by satellites. Everybody knows the satellites' importance. I explained what are the technologies developed today is because of satellites only. Next one, constellation. Next one, constellation. Constellation is nothing but a pattern or a design of stars. A pattern or a design of stars is known as constellation. Again I am telling that we will look upon what is meant by heavenly bodies, what are its function. Next one, what is celestial bodies and what are its function, and what is meant by galaxy. In Tamil also we will look at what is the definition. And next one is universe. Universe is nothing but our world. Next one is what are the planets name. Planets name also look. What are the difference between the planets and the stars? We will learn. They do not have their own heat and light. Stars have their own heat and light. And next thing we will look upon what is meant by satellites. What are the use of satellites? What are the examples of satellites we look upon? And the next one is constellation. What is meant by constellation? A pattern or a design of stars is called as constellations. Next thing we will look upon what is the orbit that and all. Next thing we look upon what is meant by orbit and what is meant by rotation and what is meant by revolution. First one orbit, second one rotation, third one revolution, and fourth one is man-made satellites, and fifth one is asteroid. What is meant by orbit? Orbit in Tamil we will call as Vattapadai. Orbit we will Tamil called as Vattapadai. The elliptical path on which the planets and satellites revolve around the sun is known as orbit. The elliptical paths on which the planets and the satellites revolve around the sun is orbit. What is meant by rotation? Taking rounds the heavenly bodies on their axis is known as rotation. Taking rounds by the heavenly bodies on their axis is known as rotation. Revolution, revolving of heavenly bodies like the sun or planets in an elliptical path. In a elliptical path is known as revolution. Man-made satellites, already explained that what is meant by satellite, what are the uses of satellite, and some of the examples are INSAT, IRS. These are the examples of man-made satellites. Okay, don't forget Abdul Kalam. And next one, asteroids. Asteroids is the one between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Mars and Jupiter, I already explained that Mars and Jupiter are the planets' name. Orbits found between the Mars and Jupiter is known as asteroids. Asteroids is nothing but in Tamil we call as Sirukolgal. Okay, asteroids in Tamil we call as Sirukolgal. Okay, next we will look upon meteorites and meteorites. Okay students, now we will look upon what is the meteorites, meteorite, full moon, new moon, pole star and geoid. Meteorites is nothing but small piece of rock, revolves around the sun. Meteorites is nothing but small piece of rock. Meteorites in Tamil we call as Vinkarkal. Karkal rocks, a small, but meteorite is a huge burning rock. Sometimes it falls on the earth. Okay, meteorites is a little bit of rock. Meteorite is a huge burning rock. Next one, full moon. A full moon, it's look like a ball. Okay. Next one is new moon. In Tamil we will call as Amavasai. And next thing we will know about what is meant by pole star. Pole star always shine over the north pole. And it does not change its position. It's pole star in Tamil. I am telling that we will call it as Duruva Natchathiram or pole star. Geoid means Puvi. Geoid means earth-like shape. In geoid in Tamil we call it as Puvi. Okay. In this lesson we will learn about the new words geoid, pole star, meteorites, asteroid, and some other words, constellations. These are all the new words you can learn. Okay. Please, students, I recalled all the topics. I hope everyone is understand about the topic. What is the Earth in the solar system, and what are the contents explained till now. Okay, and again I am recalling some of the main things. Without the satellite, we will never explain technology, information technology, whatever it may be. The scientific exposure in largest in India because of the help of satellites. And I given the examples of satellites. INSAT, IRS, EduSat, and some of the things that is known as meteorite and meteorites. This is a new words for you. But if you pronounce the word, please read with the spelling. Okay. In Tamil also I given the definition. You can understand. Full moons means Mulu Nilavu, new moon means Amavasai. Like that, meteorites means Vinkarkal. Meteorites and meteorite is the same, but the size of the meteorites and meteorites only difference. Okay, but the definition of meteorite and meteorite is same, and it's called as Vinkarkal. Okay, students. I hope everyone understand about the lesson, the Earth in the solar system, and what are the contents till now explained. I hope everyone understand. Thank you for giving this nice opportunity. Thank you.